It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 7th of December, a day that shall live in infamy. I'm Michael Groff. We've got mostly clear sky out there. Another beautiful day in the valley. Temperatures a bit cooler than we've seen in recent days, and the cooling trend will continue into the weekend. And for much of next week, dry conditions should be the rule, with temperatures just a little bit above seasonal averages. Yes, we're not going to see any chance of any precipitation around here, at least not for a while. And we'll tell you about all of that, why that is, as we get into it here. First, let's check out that almanac from yesterday. And it was pretty warm out there, 84 degrees the afternoon high. That set a new record high temperature for the date. 56 was the morning low. The averages 68 and 47. And as we take a look outside right now here at 12:45 p.m., we've got mostly sunny sky. There's a few high clouds around, and we're sitting at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point 34, humidity 25%. It's a light wind and the barometer falling. Upper level weather pattern across the nation shows that the ridge of high pressure that's been around here is scooted off to the east. We've got troughing over the Pacific Northwest, a mainly zonal flow here across the southwest. And so temperatures are on the downtrend for us. The watch warning map. Winter weather advisories scattered about the west. Winter storm warnings, some issues with some dense fog, and some wind out across the plain states. All of the usual stuff. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather anticipated. And here's the precipitation outlook valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, almost nothing. There might be a stray shower over in far eastern Arizona, but that's going to be just about it as things look to stay pretty quiet. And we'll talk about why that is right now as we get to the models. Take a look. This is the GFS, the 12Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Big trough out there off of the northeast coast of the United States and off of eastern Canada. Another trough coming into the Pacific Northwest, north of Arizona, westerly flow here. What it means down at the surface for the rest of the day today, a few high clouds, otherwise mostly sunny. High temperatures this afternoon, mid-70s, gorgeous day. That's still above average, though. Now tonight, clear sky, relatively dry air, so lows in the 40s for most of us. And then tomorrow, it's more the same, mostly sunny sky, but a bit cooler, highs upper 60s and low 70s. Go to Saturday. High temperatures should be mostly in the 60s with mostly sunny sky, mid 60s to about 70 on Sunday. Mostly sunny. Overnight lows this weekend could get down to the 30s in the cool spots, low to mid 40s in the urban core. You won't have to cover up those plants, but it will be very chilly overnight. Monday, highs upper 60s, low 70s. Same thing Tuesday, same thing Wednesday. And each day, the sky is mostly sunny to partly cloudy. The air mass is dry. Let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 14th of December. And the GFS has a very interesting pattern here. Broad ridging across most of the continental United States with an upper low that's pushed southward thanks to this building Arctic high. And it's just kind of shoved southward here into the Four Corners region. Even if that verifies as shown here, and I would say that's iffy, but even if it does, that's not going to bring any precipitation to us. That low would be to the east. It moves over land. It comes actually, the GFS brings this down from western Canada through the Rockies and just sort of has it retrograding into the southwest, and there's just no moisture with that. So best case scenario, we'd see some breezy conditions and cooler weather with that, but overall, temperatures would still be around or just a little bit above seasonal averages and dry conditions to continue. And going out 10 days, this is Saturday the 16th. And again, we've got a little trough coming in here now, but that's not going to produce anything precipitation-wise. All it's going to do is knock temperatures down a few degrees. Highs close to, if not, again, maybe a degree or three above seasonal averages. Checking out rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS ensemble. This is going to go out through the 22nd of the month, and you can see there's just nothing to be had here. More or less the same thing on the European. The ensemble mean under 1/10 of an inch, so we're not expecting any significant or even really meaningful precipitation anytime soon, and it's starting to look like we might be done with rain for the year 2023, and that'll put us somewhere in the top 10 to 12 driest years on record. Of course, I'm going to have to go look that up to be sure, but it'll be definitely one of the drier years that we have had. All right, checking out temperatures off the National Blend of Models, and for the most part, we're going to stay above average through the forecast period. And then we've got a question here from Clayton. He's asking about the coolest 2-week stretch of the year, statistically speaking. And let's take a look at that. This is the mean temperature, the mean temperatures in Phoenix, or average temperatures throughout the year. And you can see we bottom out based on the 30-year averages now on December 14th at 55 for our mean. And mean temperature meaning the average of the daily high and the daily low. So from December 14th through about January 3rd, which is a little bit more than 2 weeks, it's almost 3 weeks. Those are the coolest times of the year. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you really like what we do here, then click that thanks icon below the video and make your monetary donations to us. $2, $5, $5,000, whatever you want to donate to help furtherance of this video. That would be greatly appreciated. Every dollar helps, and we really, really do appreciate that. And when I say we, I'm not just talking about myself. I'm saying the executive producer as well of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. She is the executive producer in absentia. She is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona, talking about my Michelle, so check her out. I don't know why I'm doing it sing-songy today, but it's delirious. I'm not much sleep to be had lately. We'll get through it. Just need some more coffee. I thank you guys so much for watching and all of your continued support. So greatly appreciated. You guys are amazing as always. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a beautiful rest of your Thursday.